Hi, my name is Alexa and I'm a nurse practitioner at Rejuvime Medical in the West Bank. I've always been passionate about helping people improve their health and quality of life. My journey into medicine started with nursing, where I had the opportunity to care for patients in a variety of settings. Over time, I realized I wanted to take a more active role in diagnosing, treating, and educating patients, which led me to pursue my nurse practitioner degree. That path has allowed me to combine my love for science, patient care, and wellness. My approach is centered around listening, education, and partnership. I believe that every patient deserves to feel heard. I take the time to understand their concerns, explain their options clearly, and create a plan that aligns with their goals. I want patients to feel empowered and involved in their healthcare decisions. What initially drew me to Rejuvime was the focus on personalized medicine. Rather than taking a one-size-fits-all approach, we really take the time to understand each patient's unique needs and goals. I also love that we're able to help patients optimize their health proactively instead of simply treating illness after it develops. The most rewarding part is seeing patients regain their confidence, energy, and overall sense of well-being. Many patients come to us feeling frustrated because they haven't felt like themselves in years. Being able to help them identify the root cause of their symptoms and watch them thrive again is incredibly fulfilling. One of my favorite success stories involved a patient who came to us struggling with fatigue, low motivation, poor sleep, and difficulty losing weight. After a thorough evaluation and a personalized treatment plan, they experienced significant improvements in their energy levels, sleep quality, and overall health. Seeing their confidence return and hearing how much better they felt in their daily life was extremely rewarding.